everyone in the configuration of VLAN and trunking. My name is Kedar Dandekar and I am a Cisco certified internet network expert in enterprise infrastructure. So if you have any question, then please feel free to mail me on kedargandekar@nittraining.in. So today we will be configuring the VLAN and trunking. So the first task is to configure the VLAN 2 and VLAN 3 on all the 4 switches. After that, configure the layer 2 switch port into the access mode and also in VLAN as per the diagram. So let's start the configuration. So these are my 4 switches. So we have to configure the VLAN 2 and VLAN 3 on all these 4 switches. So first switch config T, VLAN 2 and VLAN 3. Config T, VLAN 2 and VLAN 3. So we have configured the VLANs on all the 4 switches. Now this is my first layer 2 switch, so we have to configure the interface E0/0 into VLAN 2 and E0/1 into VLAN 3. Same thing on the second switch, E0/0 into VLAN 2 and E0/1 into VLAN 3. So first switch, interface E0/0, switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 2, E0/1, switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 3. Second switch, interfaces are same, so interface E0/0, switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 2. And after that, E0/1, switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 3. So we have configured the ports into access mode and also into the VLANs. Now the next task is for the trunking. So all the inter-switch links must be configured manually into the trunking mode. Also all the inter-switch links on all the switches must explicitly disable the dynamic trunk negotiate. So we have to disable the DTP here. So these are my 4 links. So we have to configure it into the trunking mode and also we have to disable the DTP here. So let's start with the first layer 2 switch. Exit, interface range, interfaces are E0/2 and 3. Switch port, trunk, encapsulation .1q, switch port, mode, trunk, and to disable the DTP, switch port, no negotiate. Same thing on the second switch, interface range, here also it is E0/2 and E0/3. Switch port, trunk, encapsulation .1q, switch port, mode, trunk, and switch port, no negotiate. Now first layer 3 switch, interface range E0/2 and 3. Switch port, trunk, encapsulation .1q, switch port, mode, trunk, and switch port, no negotiate. Exit. Now the second layer 2 switch, interface range E0/2 and 3. Switch port, trunk, encapsulation .1q, switch port, mode, trunk, and switch port, no negotiate. So we have configured the trunking here. Now the third task is for the port fast. So all the access port must immediately transition into the forwarding state upon link up. So you have to configure the port fast on all the access port. Also if the access port receives BPDU, then it must automatically shut down. So you have to configure the BPDU guard also here. So these are my access ports. So let's start the configuration for the port fast. So the first layer 2 switch, exit, interface range E0/0 and 1. Spanning dash 3 port fast, edge, and spanning dash 3 BPDU guard, enable. Second switch, interface range E0/0 and 1. Spanning dash 3 port fast, edge, and spanning dash 3 BPDU guard, enable. So I have done the port fast configuration also. So let's verify. So before that, let's verify the trunking configuration also. So so the commands are show interface trunk. So here we can see that E0/2 and E0/3 are into the trunking mode here on the second layer to switch. Also show interfaces E0/2 switch port. So we can see that DTP is also turned off. Negotiation of trunking is off. Now let's test the port fast configuration. So show spanning dash tree VLAN 2. So all the ports are into the forwarding state. Now we will shut down the ports E0/2 to E0/0 to 3. Let's shut down. And we will do no shutdown again, and now we will check the spanning tree status. So we can see that our E0/0 has moved into the forwarding state directly, and E0/2 and 3 are still into the listening state. So our port fast configuration is working properly. Now let's test the reachability from VLAN 2 to VLAN 2, that means from PC5 to PC7. So let's ping 10.1.1.2. So the spanning tree convergence, okay, so it is working. And now from PC6 to PC8, 11.2 to 11.2. So we are getting the reachability here. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any question, then please feel free to mail me on kegagandekar@nittraining.in. Thank you.